Mchunu. I don't know the guy. The first time I met that guy is there by the students. June 16, yeah, something June. And he was brought by SG to me. I'm like, what is this one doing now on the stage? They say he's an artist or something. I said, oh, let me just be polite. So I really don't care what he thinks of me. He's the smallest boy ever. I know talented artists. And I know one when I see or listen to one. There's no such a thing. So I can't entertain such things. That's why I never responded, never said anything. Even when the KZN was going up and down, I was like, is it worth it? Because sometimes, anyway, the ground forces have got energy, but sometimes certain things we must just let go. Because when you are a leader, you must expect such things to be said. That's how he feels. And then he expressed himself, and then they forced him to apologize. He apologized. So it's not an issue for me. Even if I see him tomorrow, I will embrace him like I do with all other African kids. I have no problem.